Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm out here in the salvage yard trying to get a pulley off for this S40. This thing has a little burr on it, but I think I can probably file that down and it'd be okay. And it's spinning fine. The hard thing is getting the clips out of it. Pulling these things, I don't have a puller. So let me knock this tin out, pry this thing off, try without bending it because it still has the bumper stops on it, mine doesn't have, and then see if I can get the clip rings off of it to get it out of here. Took so much time getting that pulley off at the junkyard, didn't have time to go over and work on Paul's car today. Man, it looks like my hood is open. Oh, I just released it. Anyway, I'm going to replace the grill and the headlights on Queen Bee since I got a few minutes. Shouldn't take me no more than 30 minutes. These are the lights going on Queen Bee. They're a little dirty. I'm going to wax them. One of the most common complaints people have about these lights is that the plastic gets hazy and looks bad. I think if you wax them, you eliminate that problem. So I'm going to wax them before I put them on. Probably wax them a few times a year, and should get many good years of use out of them. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna put this colonite on them. It doesn't say any warning about plastic. Do both of them, and then I'm gonna put the grill on. I left the sponge in my wax like I normally do, and it looked like that stuff is molding. So I'm gonna take this out of there. Took me longer than I thought. Let me put a flash on this. But I got it on finally. The little thing sticks out a little bit like it was with the other grill. But that's just because of age. Let me go inside, see if they work. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.